Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and return items to Target? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and search for target.com, or you could also simply search for return items on Target, just like that. Once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this page right over here which says target.com/return. As you can see, there's also a couple of information. So for most purchases you can return it up to 90 days. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on Target return policy right over here, and this is going to be the page you are going to be in. Now all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on start a return button, and there's two ways that you can go through. So there's going to be in-store return, where you can simply go to the nearest store and just go ahead and provide them, or you could also simply go ahead and click on mail in return and click on continue. And when you go ahead and have an order that you can go ahead and choose, simply go ahead and select it and click on continue, and they'll go ahead and help you with it further. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.